Okay, right. Here's the trade recap for 30th of January. We lost again, twice. We lost £2,620. Did a video already. That shit was so long. I'm never gonna watch that back for any kind of what's the word? Improvement. The shit was too long. I would never even want to sit through that ever in my life. Okay, let's do this quickly. So coming into the day, honestly, my bias was kind of either direction. I thought realistically, all right, so we've come down on the 4 hour. We've traded into this, and bro, I'm so tired. My brain's turning off. We've kind of, I'm genuinely not going to be able to think of the word. We've kind of balanced this. We've come up, traded into it, now we're trading back out of it again. I was thinking, right, we're short all day, every day. But I was open to longs. We've come up here throughout London session. We've traded above these hourly highs, started to trade down. I was looking for like some 5-minute manipulation, maybe an SMT divergence, and then I was looking to trade down. Really set on shorts today, but I end up taking a long trade. So market opens on the 5-minute, we shoot above these highs, right? And I'm thinking, right, now I want us to break structure to the downside. Nope, price action's not that clean. Who do I think this price action is? It's never going to do that. We start trading down into equilibrium. We start trading into this 5-minute gap. And I'm thinking, right, unfortunately, this looks like it's going to continue up for these highs. And I was like, I don't really want to miss it. So I entered it. I'm looking down here. Then I see an SMT divergence off of these lows here, from this low here to this low here, and an SMT from this low here to this low here. This was the lagging index. Nasdaq's the leading index, waiting for a 1-minute break of structure, and for these gaps to get inversed. We inverse them eventually. We inverse them, and I'm like, right, this is definitely just going to end up being long. We enter this, we're targeting these highs, trading up to here, and we get fucked instantly, and it decides to break structure to the downside. So after I get fucked instantly, I have another crucial error. So today is all on me. All of this loss is all on me. I could have managed to win today if I traded correctly. Bad trading from me. We break structure here on Nasdaq, 5-minute break, and we inverse this gap on ES. Now what am I looking for? Now I'm looking for a 5-minute retrace up. Now to rebalance this and then to continue trading lower. Now this is where I have a crucial error. Now this is going to be really difficult to explain, but I hope I can. We break this, and I'm looking for us to retrace into anything. On the next candle, or in the next few candles, we trade up, okay, and we tap equilibrium. Now, I need to wait for that candle to close as an up candle. See how it was blue and then it went red, or it went black? I wanted that to stay blue to then the next candle to be down. But instead, I entered like an imbecile, but it ended up being obviously bearish. So I've gone short literally here, and my stops are here. And I was like, oh my god, what have I done? The candle didn't close green. So obviously this was us trading into equilibrium, but we didn't actually get the up candle. So then we get the up candle after this. But I was like, I know we're going to get an up candle. So let me increase my stops, because realistically I've entered with a good amount of risk. I can increase the stops because I feel like now my stop loss is in the wrong place and it could still be correct if I increase it. I didn't think about these highs, just thought about these highs here. Take profits would have been data lows and London lows, so on. I increase it to these highs instead of these highs up here because I just thought if we come into equilibrium, this gives it enough room. Short answer is it wasn't enough room. If I'd have had it up here, it would have been good, I think. And then we do trade down off of it, and we make an SMT divergence, and eventually we end up trading down. We even miss these lows, and it's awful. And then we trade up again, and then fuck this high. So even if I'd have entered off of this, where we make the SMT, and then start to trade down, So we make the SMT here, and then we start to trade down at 350. If I'd have entered with my stops above the 350 high, or the 320 high, sorry, and then entered when we break structure on the 1 minute here, would have got fucked because it trades above that as well. Price action was harsh today. Very, very, very harsh. We had the SMT, highs were getting traded off left, right, and center, but this SMT does end up playing out after all of the fuckery. Now, if the stop loss was in the correct place, it just needs to be high here because today we had a choppy day and the stop loss was just in the wrong place. We entered prematurely. We entered in a rush to try and catch the short here after being in a losing trade. I increased my stop loss like a dumbass because I for some reason thought that was a profitable idea. I thought, yeah, this is so smart of me. I'm going to increase that shit because I'm going to be safe. But bro, if I'd have increased it enough, we would have been onto a winner. But I didn't increase it enough. So eventually, everything is traded through. All the lows, apart from the previous day, but that's far. That was a big ask, especially with how slow price was today. Yep, stop was in the wrong place both times. This was a terrible place to have to stop. Like, what am I trying to, like, what am I doing here? And then increasing it, like, bro, like, it was only 1.7k. You could have just fucking filled that shit. Could have just filled that fucking shit. It could have been like 2.5k. That's literally only 1%. Could have just full fucking ported that shit. Like, bro, it's only 1%. Like, what am I doing? And yeah, you would have won, I guess, 3k or something. But fuck me, that was fucking pointless. Like, damn, imagine I'm sat in it there and I'm waiting. I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna hit, and then fucking hell, it just gets sent up again from 4 o'clock all the way to fucking 5 o'clock. It doesn't get traded through. Like, yeah, I'm out of break even there. Horrible, horrendous trading day. Horrendous. Fucking awful, man. And what a day. What a day to lose $2,600. £2,620. £23.25 fucking pence. Fuck this shit. Honestly, so done with trading at the moment. This shit needs to sort itself out because this whole of January, I haven't caught a fucking win to save my life. I hope that this video doesn't have my washing machine in it so loud. Can't catch a win. Need to fix the fuck up. What am I doing? Let's really lock in right now. I've been going through all these videos, all these trading journal videos, and they're super helpful. I really do think. That's why I'm continuing to do them. They're just great to go over. Like, some days I'm just forgetting, like, bro, how did I lose that? How did I lose that? And I go through it and I'm like, yep, that's how I lost it. We need to work on it. Like, doing this shit for 2 fucking years and I'm just still making mistakes. I just need these mistakes to just fucking clear the fuck off. Today was awful. I mean, like, perfect trading, yeah, I could have fucking not made a mistake here, but there's, at some point, you do have to say that this was just shitty price action. Like, I'm looking at, like, a fucking accordion pattern here. Like, it's just a load of bollocks. Yeah, coming into February, my life's, we're going to be just so happy. We're going to be posting a win every day, and it's going to be great. This shit is not off to a good start, January, but, yeah, anyway. That's a fucking wrap. Let's just see. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Just my TV just turns off. What else can I fucking say? Right, so what have I been doing wrong? Trying to catch wins, just trying to not miss out on a win, and like, look, I'm having to post these shit videos where I'm just losing so much money. The risk is good. If I was missing these trades, I'd be moaning about missing them. So I was looking at the journal and like I was missing trades. So I was like, okay, let's try and take them more. Let's try and catch them quicker because they were happening a bit quick. Now they're happening late and stop losses are too tight. Oh my god, like we're down so horrendous. I'm down like I'm down like 7k or some shit. Right. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. What have we lost every single month? I think the only week we didn't lose was when I was de-risking for the first month. For the first week of the month, I was de-risking so heavily. Why does my TV keep turning off? Anyway, right. This shit's pissing me off. All right. That's a trade. That's a recap done.